Did you know that India's Republic Day celebrations don't actually end on January 26? Yes, the parades stop, the headlines fade, but officially the celebrations continue for 3 more days, and the real finale happens on January 29th. So, what's so special about this date? And why does the government of India recognize it as the official end of Republic Day? Let's break it down. India celebrates Republic Day on January 26 every year to commemorate the day the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. While January 26 is widely recognized as the main day of celebration, the Republic Day festivities do not officially conclude on that day. Instead, they formally end 3 days later on January 29th with the Beating Retreat ceremony held in New Delhi. Although India gained independence from British rule on August 15, 1947, it became a fully sovereign democratic republic only on January 26, 1950. When the constitution was implemented, the Constitution of India was adopted on November 26, 1949, but January 26 was chosen for its historical importance as it marked the declaration of Purna Swaraj in 1930. Republic Day therefore symbolizes the establishment of India's own system of laws, governance, and democratic values. So, according to the Ministry of Defense, Republic Day celebrations are not limited to the grand parade held on January 26. Instead, they extend over several days and includes a series of official ceremonies, military events, and cultural programs. Organized by the Indian Armed Forces, the ceremony is attended by the President of India, who serves as the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces. During the event, massed bands of the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, and paramilitary forces perform patriotic traditional tunes. The ceremony concludes with the lowering of the national flag and the playing of the national anthem, signaling the formal end of Republic Day festivities. This is officially confirmed by the Ministry of Defense through its Rashtra Parv website. While January 26 remains the most symbolically significant day, January 29 represents the ceremonial closure of Republic Day, bringing together military tradition, discipline, and national pride. And that's why, my friends, Republic Day officially ends on January 29th. Jai Hind.